number 8. The wise men of Ramnagar. Once upon a time, there was a village called Ramnagar. It was quite a large village and it lay near a wide river. The land was rich and fertile, and the people who lived there were happy and wealthy. They had no enemies and lived peacefully. They troubled no one, and no one troubled them. Wide. Wide means extended far. Means agalavada. Next river. River means large running stream of water. River means nadi. Then see here land. Land means bhumi. Nela. Next fertile. Fertile means phala koduva. See here next wealthy. Wealthy means rich prosperous means srimanta. Next see here enemies. Enemies means vairi. Next peacefully. Peacefully means shanta. Then see here troubled. Troubled means disturbance means ashantate. The first para see here the story of village Ramnagar. Once upon a time means it is the past time. There was a village called Ramnagar. The name of village is Ramnagar. The river was floating near the village Ramnagar. The land where they lived it was rich and fertile. Fertile means people grow crops on the land. The people who lived in Ramnagar, they were happy and wealthy, and they had no enemies and lived peacefully. No one will trouble for them. 10 miles away from the village, there was a town. One day the people of the town held a meeting. All the townsfolk gathered in the marketplace. See here, townsfolk means inhabitants of town. Patanigaru. See here, gathered means come together means Vatu Gudisu. The people of the town were going to discuss a new plan for a road. The road was going to be built between their town and the other town, about 20 miles away. A large map of the area was brought and soon a route was worked out. The people decided how much they were going to spend on building the road. Now I will explain second paragraph. Small city 10 miles away from the village Ramnagar. There was a town. In the town there was a meeting. The people of the town gathered in the marketplace. The meeting is about a new plan for a road. The road was passing through their town to another town, length between 20 miles away. A map of the new road was going to build from their town to another town. They thought about the money, how much they were going to spend on building the road. Paragraph. Following this meeting, work was started on the road. As soon as the work began, the news reached the people of Ramnagar. Some of the villagers got together and went to find out more about the new road. When they got to the town, they went straight to the office of the district officer. There they had a look at the map. Now see the fourth paragraph. The villagers went back to Ramnagar and called a meeting. One of the men who had seen the map said, "People of Ramnagar, today some of us saw the map of the new road. It was going to pass close to our village. It will go through some of our best field. Fields means hola. And they will be destroyed. Destroy means demolish, means halu madodu. What shall we do to stop this road?" Here, the road was going to pass close to Ramnagar through some of their best fields, which would be destroyed. They talked about what they were going to do to stop the road from being built. See the fifth paragraph. The villagers were very angry. They sat in the meeting for 3 whole days. At last they thought of a plan. A week after the meeting, a man from the town came to Ramnagar. When he got to the village, a man from the town came to Ramnagar. When he got to the village, he saw a great crowd of people. Crowd means gumpu. Beside the river. The man from the town was curious. Curious means Tilebekamba. He went over to where the people had gathered. He squeezed means hisuku through the crowd and saw an amazing sight. There were 7 men standing on the bank of the river and 7 men on the other. They were holding a stick rope. Rope means hagga, which stretched across the river. In the middle, someone had tied a cup. A man came to Ramnagar and he saw a many people were standing beside the river. The man from the town, he was eager to know about something to get information, and he went to see there, and he saw their amazing sight. There were 7 men standing on one bank of the river and 7 men on the other, and the people holding stick rope across the river, and someone had tied a cup. Now see the 6th paragraph. What are they doing? Asked the man. They are taking water out of the river, replied a woman standing close by. With a cup? Asked the man. Oh yes, replied the woman. But it will take hour to get a bucket full, said the man. Yes, said the woman. It's a slow, but we always get water out of the river like this. It's a slow way, but it always works. Now I will explain 6th paragraph. See here, the villagers were taking water out of the river with a rope and a cup. It's a slow way, but it always works, replied the woman to the man. Now see the 7th paragraph. The man from the town was very surprised indeed. He scratched his skin and said to himself, "These people are all mad." When he got back to the town, he told all his friends about what he had seen in the village. All his friends laughed and laughed. The man from the town was very surprised indeed. He scratched his skin and said to himself, "These people are all mad." When he got back to the town, he told all his friends about what he had seen in the village. All his friends laughed and laughed. See the 8th paragraph. One or two of the man's friends just could not believe that people could be so stupid. So the next day, 2 of them trotted off to Ramnagar to see for themselves. When they arrived at the village, they found a huge means very large crowd of people around a tall tree. The trunk of the tree was nearly 2 meters wide. 2 men were busily working on the trunk. Each had a small penknife. Penknife means sanna chaku in his hand and was cutting the wood. They were working so hard that the sweat was pouring off their foreheads. Here, they could not believe that people could be so stupid. So, the next day, 1 or 2 of the men friends came to Ramnagar to see, and they found a huge crowd people around a tall tree. Each had a small penknife in their hand to cut the wood. They were working so hard that the sweat was pouring off their foreheads. Now see the 9th paragraph. What are they doing? Asked one of the men from the town. Why they are cutting down the tree? Replied one of the villagers. Can't you see? With pen knives? Asked the townsman. Yes, said a villager in the crowd. We always cut down trees with pen knives. But it will take a year or 2, said the townsman. Yes, replied the villager. It is slow, but it is a good method. It always works. Now I will explain the ninth paragraph. See here, one of the man from the town, he asked him what they are doing. They replied, we always cut down trees with penknives. It is slow, but it is a good method. It always works. Now see the 10th paragraph. The men from the town were quite astonished. They went back to their town. Soon the news about the villagers and their odd behavior spread like wildfire. Wildfire means Kadina Benki. The people of Ramnagar are quite mad. The townsfolk said. The news even reached the district officer. Now I will explain the 10th paragraph. The villagers were clever. They gave the impression that they were mad by doing things in a strange way, and this led to the townsfolk to believe that a road going past this village would not be such a good idea. Now see the 11th paragraph. What's all this about? Asked the district officer. Are the people of Ramnagar really mad? Yes, indeed they are, replied his chief clerk. They take water out of the river with a cup and they cut down trees with penknives. They are quite crazy. Are they dangerous? Asked the district officer nervously. I don't know, said the clerk. The following day, the district officer and a few of the other important people of the town went to Ramnagar to find out more. When they got there, they saw a long line of women walking to and from a large ant hill. Each woman was carrying a basket. The first woman in the line stepped up to the ant hill and took an ant from the moist means tevavada earth means the world we live on. Then she put the ant in her basket and carried it away. What are they doing? Asked the astonished district officer. They are carrying away ants, replied a man standing nearby. Why? Asked the district officer. Because ants are very dangerous, said the man. They eat everything. We must carry them away. But one in each basket, cried the district officer. That's ridiculous. Ridiculous means deserving to be laughed. We always do it that way, replied the man. It's slow, but it's a good method. It always works. Now see the 12th paragraph. When the district officer returned to the town, he called a meeting. I have been to Ramnagar, he announced. The people there are quite mad. They take water out of the river with a cup. They cut down trees with penknives. They carry away ants one by one. They are lunatics. Lunatics means buddhihina. Don't go near them. But sir, said one of the secretaries, our new road is going to go right past Ramnagar. Then change the plans. Road, the district officer. Road means make loud noise. Garjisu. We shall build the road along the top of the hill. It must not be constructed near the village. So the road was built along the top of the hill and did not go anywhere near Ramnagar. The people of the village polled means Negilu, their fields and went back to an undisturbed way of the life. They were not mad at all. They were very wise.